Assalamu alaikum students, first year. Today we will read the poem A Sindhi Woman written by Jan Stolworthy. This poem is a tribute to a working woman. Work creates rhythm in life. Work keeps a person strong and vigilant. An idle person will soon decay. This poem also portrays realistically the slums of Karachi in a few words. The poet praises and appreciates the working woman, who has particularly turned her work into an art. The woman walks softly with the delicacy and rhythm of a dancer's feet. A Sindhi woman is going through a bazaar with the bare feet. She is walking impressively, and there is a rhythm in her movement which can be seen in her swaying body and floating dress. The wind pushes the cloth from her faces. She is passing through stones, garbage, pieces of bread, and the broken glasses. This is the scene of a Karachi slums. The poet meditates and sees his own body that is bent by time. He observes that only those who bear the burden of life and carry its hardships through life are strong and straight. And now we will read its difficult words. Undulant, wave-like motions are look, glide, move along smoothly, tread, walk. Garbage, waste, worthless and rubbish. Excrement, waste matter expelled from the body. Crumbs, small pieces of dry food. Slums, a heavily populated area of a city. Stoop, bend forward, downwards. Now we will read the poem with Urdu translation. First stanza. Barefoot through the bazaar, and with the same undulant grace, बढ़ना पा बाजार में से गुजरते हुए और इसी लहराते हुए बावकार अंदाज में. As the cloth blown back from her face, she glides with a stone jar high on her head and not a ripple in her tread. जैसे उसके चेहरे से उड़ता हुआ आंचल पीछे लहराता है. She glides with a stone jar, वो अपने सर के ऊपर जो है पत्थर का मर्तबान उठाए खरामा खरामा चल रही है. High on her head and not a ripple in her tread, और उसकी चाल में कोई भी डगमगाहट नहीं है. Now we will read the explanations of this stanza. The poet sees a Sindhi woman. He is impressed by the grace of her walk. She is barefooted. She is walking through the bazaar. Her face covering is blowing behind her. It is rising and falling like a wave. She is also walking with the same undulating grace. She is walking smoothly. She is carrying a stone jar on her head. There is no slight bias in her walk. Watching her cross erect stones, garbage, excrement and crumbs, उसे इतराते हुए यूं गुजरते देखना पत्थरों, कूड़ा किरकिट, गंदगी और शीशे की किरचियों में से. Crumbs of glass in the Karachi slums, कराची की कच्ची आबादियों में से. I with my stoop reflect, मैं अपनी खमीदा कमर लिए सोचता हूँ. They stand most straight who learn to walk beneath a weight, कि वो लोग बावकार सीधे खड़े होते हैं जो अपनी जिम्मेदारियों का बोझ उठाकर चलना सीख लेते हैं. यानी उनकी चाल में कोई डगमगाहट नहीं होती. जो अपनी जिम्मेदारियों का बोझ आसानी से उठा के चलते हैं वो हमेशा जो है बगैर डगमगाए अपनी मंजिल पर पहुंच जाते हैं. Now the explanation of this stanza. The poet sees the Sindhi woman walking in a slum. She is walking straight through stones, household waste, dung, and the bits of glass. She, with a weight on her head, is walking straight and smooth, while on the other hand, the poet has got a bend through her, though he carries no weight on his head. At this moment, the poet learns that the persons who face difficulties are able to walk with their heads erect. Yeah, that was the poem and its explanation. Now you have to prepare its short answer questions and the critical appreciations of the poem.